Cobblestones glisten. City hums low. Drizzle soft whisper. Where do thoughts saxophone sighs in a soulful lament. A moment of peace that feels heaven sent. Through bookstore windows, stories unfold. Between dusty pages, the wisdom of old. Jazz dances gently, carries the breeze. Philosophy reflections in the rain, a world so surreal. Each drop tells a story, each step helps us heal. The piano keeps time for the heart's tender sway, and the quiet affirms what no words need to say. A word is a thought, but a cloud in the sky. It drifts and reforms, and it bids us ask why. We walk through the chapters, our lives intertwined with the hum of the world and this rhythm divine.
तो ये देख सकते हैं G2 BS6 टेम्पो का यूरिया की मोटर है ये, और इसका पार्ट नंबर है ये।
Cafe lights shimmer, their glow softly spills on lovers and loners and lifelong ideals. Each sip of the moment is brewed with intent. Flavor of life, out of content. Reflections in the rain, a world so surreal. Each drop tells a story, each step helps us heal. The piano keeps time for the heart, stirs our lives in the quiet. The hum of the world and this rhythm divine.
तो दोस्तों देख सकते हैं हमने यूरिया वाली टैंक लगा दी है, नोजल को रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, मोटर को रिपेयर कर दिया है, पाइप लगा दिया, आप देख सकते हैं मोटर चालू है, यूरिया ड्यूएट पाइप को हम लगा देंगे, साइलेंसर को देखेंगे कि यूरिया वहाँ पे आ रहा है।
Reflections in the rain, a world so surreal. Each drop tells a story, each step helps us heal. The piano keeps time for the heart's tender sway, and the quiet affirms what no words need to say.
Gitu.